How to create an Instagram post using Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create or make any Instagram post using the Canva application. So since as you can see I am currently in Canva desktop, and in order to create a new design, what we can do is simply click onto this create button over the left hand side or to this plus icon at the top. So you can click onto any of these buttons. So for example, let's say I click onto this create button, and once I will click onto this create button, you can see this type of interface. From here you can select the type of design that you want, so you can choose any design that you want. So since currently we want an Instagram post, so you can simply search over here for Instagram, and here you can see we have these options that says Instagram post. This is the 4:5, the Instagram post square, Instagram story, Instagram reel cover, story video, and profile picture as well. So you, since we want an Instagram post, so if you want an Instagram post in square format, you can choose this option. The size is 1080 by 1080, or else if you want a regular Instagram post, you can click onto the first option. And here you can see that the design has been successfully opened. Now you can use these templates also if you want, or if you want to draw them manually, that's also fine. So for example, if you want to use this template, so from here you can also make changes to it as well. And then after you are done finishing editing and applying changes into your Instagram post, you can simply click to this share button, and then you can download it if you want using this download button. So that's how easily you can create an Instagram post in your Canva application. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and then ask them in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.